Looking for a better way to manage high-density fiber in your data center? The revolutionary Q-Frame from TE Connectivity is the answer you've been looking for. The amount of data needing to be transmitted, processed, and stored continues to grow exponentially. Network speeds of 40 and 100 gigabit are on the horizon, and applications like server virtualization have become the norm. As a result, the data center is becoming more fiber-intensive than ever before, and actively managing high-density fiber aggregation points becomes increasingly challenging. Selecting the right high-density fiber optic panel is only part of the equation. Don't leave yourself stranded by choosing a panel that offers density that cannot be realized because of poor cable management qualities. Further, consideration must be given to a solution that offers the scalability needed for future technology migration. Most high-density solutions on the market are not designed to effectively handle related cable congestion or expansion issues. This can force data center managers to waste valuable rack and floor space or create operational efficiency problems for day 2 support. The Q-Frame is the only high-density aggregation point specifically designed to support and manage high-density fiber while ensuring scalability and expansion for tomorrow. Whether it's an interconnect from the core switch to the servers or a cross-connect from the SAN switch to the storage devices, the Q-Frame delivers the space, storage, routing, and protection to effectively manage all fiber-intensive areas in the data center. Unlike generic solutions that combine copper and fiber in the same rack and ultimately fall short, the Q-Frame is specifically designed for fiber. It mounts to a standard 19-inch rack to effectively manage up to 3,072 fiber terminations. For use with multi-mode or single-mode fiber, the modular Q-Frame is compatible with TE's full line of fiber chassis, which all offer superior port access and labeling. It's extremely flexible, accommodating 8 fiber panels in a single frame for LC to LC, LC to MPO, or MPO to MPO connections. The Q-Frame's innovative rear horizontal trough system utilizes 8 9-inch troughs to provide a total of 2,880 square inches of horizontal trough space in one rack. Patch cords are intuitively routed from the front of the frame through ample pathways into the rear trough system. The Q-Frame routing system eliminates fiber crossover points, making it easier to trace patch cords and minimize fiber weaving. The frame's rear trough system provides more space than any other high-density fiber solution on the market, reducing fiber pileup and congestion, alleviating risk of fiber damage, and allowing easier moves, adds, and changes. The Q-Frame thoroughly simplifies high-density fiber patch cord deployment, even in a fully loaded rack. In addition, vertical troughs, easily fed from overhead or underfloor trays systems, provide separate pathways for the trunk systems. This helps prevent interference with the horizontal cable management and enables scalability and clean slack management in the rear of the frame. Once the connection is made, the Q-Frame's built-in patch cord storage panels effectively manage cable slack, maintaining fiber bend radius to minimize risk of micro bends or damage to the fiber. In fact, the Q-Frame provides complete bend radius protection at every turn to ensure network performance, reliability, and peace of mind. The Q-Frame is extremely scalable. Up to 10 racks can be installed in a row, creating a fully integrated fiber cross-connect or interconnect. The rear trough systems line up between racks for optimal rack-to-rack routing. And with no gaps between Q-Frames, fibers are fully protected from damage and the look is clean and aesthetically pleasing. And because the Q-Frame is highly modular, simple blade changeouts will accommodate future 40 and 100 gigabit applications. The unique design of the Q-Frame allows any port within a single frame to be connected to any other port using a 6-meter patch cord. That's right, one length patch cord will do it all. When another Q-Frame is added to a row, the length to connect 2 ports in adjacent frames increases by just 1 meter. With only 10 lengths of cord, you can manage up to 30,720 fiber terminations in a 10-rack row. And that means simplified planning, inventory, and moves, adds, and changes. The Q-Frame is the only high-density fiber cross-connect frame that maximizes fiber protection, intuitive cable routing, slack storage, modularity, and future expansion capabilities, all while accommodating thousands of fiber connections. Don't get caught running out of space halfway through your fiber optic panel deployment. Choose the only fiber frame that truly manages high-density fiber in your data center. Choose the Q-Frame from TE. Contact TE today for more information or to ask for your Q-Frame demonstration.